Tonight on BK Nature TV, the sun rises on a beautiful day in the plains of Waltham, Massachusetts. Here we can see a wild Phil in its natural habitat after a long day of hunting, eating its game voraciously. See as the Phil peels the innards of its prey straight from its cellulose-based skin. This is actually a rare cultural phenomenon noticed throughout certain parts of the animal kingdom, where the male of the species utilizes simple tools to create something new. Watch as it carefully deconstructs the kill, utilizing each of its extremities, broken into 5 tendrils to fully consume each and every part of its catch. Wow, the wonders of nature are stunning. Let's look over to another part of the campus ecosystem. What a sight! Here we have a wild jane participating in a mating ritual. This activity is often referred to as tricycling, where the female of the species utilizes an archaic wheel-based cart to traverse terrain. See as how it pushes off from one leg to maximize its range of motion. Oh, here comes the male now. Let's see how it'll react.
Fuck my leg, fuck!
Oh heavens! Our wild Jane has taken a fall. Will she be able to persevere?
Fuck! Ah! Fuck! Do I look fucking okay? My fucking leg is broken!
Wow, it looks to me as though her pursuit was successful.
Fuck shit! Call Bemco or something!
Romance is so wonderful in the animal kingdom.
Try to take some deep breaths. Deep breaths.
You want me to fucking calm down? My fucking leg!
Why they say always wear a helmet?
My fucking leg is broken! A helmet wouldn't do shit!
The male is now showcasing its plumage. This is all a part of the mating ritual.
I got that shit. All right. I'm gonna pop this baby right back into place. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. All right.
My fucking leg!
You know what? I'm gonna take you to the ER, okay?
Isn't Bemco coming?
Here we go.
Objection! I'm not losing blood. You're losing blood.
Freaking me out. Oh, here we go. All right, come on. Here we go. Okay.
Looks like they're off to do what we call in the business, getting it on like Donkey Kong. Let's look on to our next pair of premier primates. Look at how they bounce around so joyously. Not a care in the world. Now, see how the Margaret and the Franklin groom each other? Nature is so beautiful. How exciting. Here comes the natural prey of these magnificent creatures, the banana man. Ah, how beautiful nature is. Until next time, dear viewers.
Meet me by the bisexual tree after tree class.
Break.